Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can generate automatic captions or subtitles for your videos in Microsoft Clipchamp like this. So here you can see, right, I'm getting this automatic subtitles without even typing a single text. So I'll be showing you how you can do this entire thing. So first thing, just drag and drop your video inside the work area which you want to add the subtitles. So once you're done adding, to the rightmost top corner you'll be having something called as captions. Just select that, and here you'll be having an option to turn on auto captions. Just click that and it will ask us transcribe with AI, and we need to select the language that we have spoken in our video. So here you can see we have like these many languages available, and in case if you are a English speaker, you have so much variations. We have so many variations of English based upon the accent. So I will just click on English India, which is my accent, and I will just click on transcribe media. So this will take some time to generate captions depending upon the video length that you have. So just be patient. So after some time you will be getting the transcript, which is the entire captions that is present in your video with the timestamps in it. And if you want to download it as a .srt file, you can just click on it. It will be getting downloaded as a .srt file. And now if I just move this pointer over my video, here you can see that I'll be getting the captions like this over here. And in case if you want to change the font style and font color and everything, you need to just click on the caption. Alright, just click on that and you'll be able to move this captions anywhere. You will be able to move the text anywhere and position it somewhere on your video, and just click on this, and to the right you'll be having text. Click that. So by this way you will be able to change the size, alignment, color of the text and the background color also. So I'll just change the font style to something like this, and it instantly changes over here. And if you want, you can change the position also rather than you manually moving. And if you want to change the color, you can just change this way, and the background color also. In case if you don't want any background, you can just click on this clear color. That's it. So by this way you'll be able to add captions directly on your video without even typing it. And in case if you want to make any corrections also, you can just edit it over here. You can literally like type it over here in case if you want to make any changes to your captions right over here. Okay, so it's totally editable. And in case if you want to hide the captions and you just want to download the .srt file, you can just enable this hide captions in this video. So that's it. Now I won't be having any captions throughout my video. And if you want to enable this, you can just toggle back again. Captions will be appearing normally on your video. So, and if you want to turn it off again completely, you can just click on turn off auto captions. That's it. So this is basically how you add and download captions automatically from your video in Clipchamp. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming as well as AI. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.